Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, just look at this goodies over here. So firstly, I would like to welcome you to our bonus vlog for the week. So as you can see, we have exciting macaron series that we are going to unbox for today. So finally guys, so currently I think I have 4. I have 4 macarons already, but guys, I just really couldn't help myself. As you know, I'm so crazy about Labubus. Everything's purchased from the Popmart online store, and then this one, they had a stock wherein I could purchase an entire set of 6 in. I just told myself, you know, all logic thrown out of the window. I said, okay, whatever, I'm just going to purchase it because I wanted to get 3 more. So guys, hopefully you are enjoying our bonus vlog. So I'm inviting you all to watch and stay tuned until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 to 6,000 subbies. We're almost there, guys. I really do need your help. And every new subscription, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. So currently, what I have, so as mentioned earlier, I have 4. So I have soy milk, I have lychee berry, I have sea salt coconut, and I have sesame beans. So what I am really wanting to get, to be honest with you, the reason why I purchased this singular box is I wanted to get toffee. I told myself if I would be getting toffee, then I'm done with the macaron series of the monsters. But then again, this happened, which, you know, I'm not really sure what happened over here. So this would be a chance for me to get toffee and a chance for me to get green grape as well. So before we unbox, guys, let me just remove the plastic. As you can see, so this just arrived, I think yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. So let us just remove the plastic so we can unbox them together. One moment, because honestly, I would want to preserve the box in pristine condition, because it's not like every day I purchase a box of 6. And to be honest, guys, you may be asking and saying over there that I'm kind of stupid for not purchasing a box of 6. To be honest, yes, I feel a little bit stupid for not purchasing a box of 6. But when I was initially starting in purchasing these single boxes, this is not an option yet here in the Philippines. So it's just right now that they are having lots of stocks with the macaron series. That's why I'm able to purchase. If I could just definitely go back in time, I would definitely purchase the box of 6, because that would be easier, right? So here, I was able to remove. So let me just set it up quickly. One moment. Alright, so let us begin. So of course, let us start first with a singular box over here. I was able to set it up already. So as mentioned, I would just be slicing them at the bottom part of the box. And then, I would not be opening the entire package. Oh, is it shaking? One moment. I would not be opening the entire package. Alright. I would just be looking at the card first. And then, if they are the ones that I don't have in my collection, then definitely I would be keeping them. So I have here. And then, of course, the very first one that we have. Oh, wow, how lucky. Soy milk. So for example, if I did not purchase this box of 6, this is actually, no, this is my third, this is my third draw, guys, of soy milk. How lucky of me, because the second one I traded with Yen with lychee berry. Okay, so to be honest, since Yen already has the this one, I was thinking of getting 3 from this one. So of course, the ones that I would be loving would be, of course, toffee. And then, of course, I would want to get green grape. And then, of course, the third one, if I would not be getting, definitely, guys, the secret. The secret I'm really praying to get now. And then, of course, green berry. So those are the colors that I wanted to get. So now that is the very first one. Now, let us move on. So, where do we begin? So, let us start first with this one. This is something that I would not be choosing over here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us start first with the 6th box. Okay. And then, of course, I will be slicing her at the bottom part. Oh, I'm getting good at unboxing, guys. So, here. And then, of course, we have this one. And then let us look at the card together. 3, 2, 1. Okay, great. So we have Tofi. So definitely this one I would be keeping. So let us open her. Let's make sure that this is Tofi, guys. Yes, so this is Tofi. So I would be keeping this one. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, that did not happen. Oh, what's happening? Okay, was able to open her now. 3, 2, 1. So this is the first time that I'm holding Tofi. Oh, she's so cute and so fluffy. Oh, cutie. As you can see, she's so fluffy. So later we are going to compare our macaron. So we have a little bit of shedding, but that is this signature of the macaron. Then we have the brown nose over here. Super, super cute. What do you think? So this is the very first one. Yay! So let us just put her over here. Alright, so who's next? So 1, 2, 3. Let's try number 2. So I'm just putting Tofi over there. So this is the second one. The shake. This is kinda light. This is kinda light. So I'm just opening, guys. One moment. Okay, good. This is the... So we need just... Guys, give us a secret. Oh my God. Please give us a secret. Give us a secret. That would be nice, right? So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we have this. We have sesame bean. So sesame bean, okay, yeah, sesame bean. So that one, I'm not really sure if I would be keeping. So let us move on. So of course, that is already expected. Let us put her here. And then let us try lucky number 4. So that is actually my number, lucky number 4 over here. Another light one. Okay. Hopefully we get a good one this time. 3, 2, where's the card? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so of course we have sea salt coconut. So sea salt coconut, I'm not going to open because I already have her, as you know. So we have this, we have sea salt coconut. And then of course, this one. Alright, so now let us move on to the next one. So who should we get, guys? So let us try number 5, okay? So we have 3 more to go. There. So hopefully we get a good one. So we still don't have green grape, and of course we still don't have the secret. So what do you think, guys? Are we going to get lucky this time? How cool it would be, right? If we are going to get lucky tonight. So, alright. Here you go. Here we have this. So what do you think is the color? So card 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we have here soy milk. So should we open soy milk? I'm not really sure. So let us not open yet. So here we have soy milk. As you can see. So this is my 4th soy milk. But 3 soy milks I have now in my collection. So this one, so let us put it here. And then of course, next we have the last 2. So let us try this one. So let us try number 3. Oh, let us shake them together, guys. So this is number 1. This is number 3. They feel the same, to be honest. Let's do number 3 first. Let's do number 3. Not looking. So hopefully we get green grape this time. Where's the card? Okay. 3, 2, 1. There. So we have lychee berry. There. Someone, actually, many of you has commented that their favorite color is lychee berry. Kindly comment down below if this is your favorite colorway, guys. Super cute. Love this one. So although I have her, okay. Let us put her back in the box. And then, of course, last but not the least, we have number 1. So now, guys, so the last one. So it's definitely we are going to get either green grape, but of course, we are hoping for a secret. What do you think, guys? So we only have 2 options. So green grape, secret. So definitely we are going to, I could open this on the top, guys. I would open on the top because definitely I would be keeping this one regardless of the color, because aside from toffee, this is the other one that I don't have. So now I could open her here. That's very relaxing, of course. Now we could open the packaging. Alright, so guys, now we're back. I charged the phone a little bit. So this is the where we left off. I've opened the top part, but I have not seen the content. So again, so we are going to get either green grape or the secret. So definitely crossing our fingers that we are going to get a secret. But definitely green grape would also be welcome. But how nice it would be if we're going to get a secret, right? So here is the packaging. So the very last one. So this may be the very last macaron that I've opened because I think I have enough. So I have here what? 6, 7. I have 11 macarons in total already. 3, 2, 1. So I would not look. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we got, of course, green grape. Unfortunately, we did not get the secret. That's a little bit sad. Anyway, so we got green grape as expected. So here she is. But this is the first time that I'm holding green grape. So I've unboxed one of this one, but I did not open because I purchased the very first green grape for my friend Kay. And looking at the color, honestly, the color is really cute. I thought the color would not be nice. Yeah. Yeah, this is nice, right? So, green grape. So, now we have all the colors over here. What do you think? Super nice. I really do love her. I really do love her. And, of course, comparing her to toffee. So, these are the 2 colors that I don't have. So, this definitely would complete my collection. So, I already have the 4. And then, of course, right now, definitely I would be keeping toffee. And I would be keeping green grape. So, yes, so it's a little bit disappointing that I did not get the secret. But, of course, that is already expected. So, of course, that may be, this may be the last, as mentioned earlier, this may be the last macaron that I would be unboxing. Thus, it means I would not be purchasing any more macarons. Therefore, I'm not going to get another chance of opening another secret. Not unless someone out there is going to give me a macaron series, is going to give me, then of course, I would be happy to accept. So what do you think of our macarons for today? So should we unbox one more? Because I'm thinking, guys, as mentioned, do I need another one? So I have the these, and then let me just get the others that I have. One moment, guys. Here you go, guys. So this is my entire collection of my Labubu macarons, aside from these ones, of course. So these are definitely I'm going to keep. So I have, of course, green grape, I have lychee berry, sea salt coconut, I have toffee, I have soy milk, then of course I have sesame bean. Cute, right? So what do you think? I'm actually seeing lots of videos in TikToks wherein I'm not really sure if it's a joke or not, but they're carrying all their macarons or all their pendant plushies on a bag and even using them as an accessory. So maybe this others that I have here, so I have 5 over here, so I would not be opening them yet, so there may be a chance that I may be reselling, although I'm really tempted to keep another one of this because she's really cute. So maybe I could keep, I'm not sure, maybe, just who knows. But anyways guys, what do you think of our unboxing for today? Should I aim for more? Should I purchase another macaron series and try to get a secret? Definitely I would still love to get a secret in the future. There, did you enjoy our unboxing episode for today? So hope you did. Am I able to turn you now a fan of the Labubu Macaron series? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bear emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 to 6,000 subbies this year. We're almost there. Thank you. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Romerify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. So thank you again guys for staying with me until the end of this episode. Hope you enjoyed our bonus vlog for today. I would see you all soon. Bye!